Alright, welcome back. So this is Michael. Once again, let's proceed to our next topic. And right now, we're gonna create the video section. In this section, we're gonna put a video to our main page. And you can do also to put videos on other pages later on. So let's proceed. So here is the steps on how we can put the video to our page. The first thing that we should do is create the video section flexbox. So I just named it as video section, but what we are going to actually do is the section, and we will use the flexbox as our selection. Then select the tree container and then add the video element and add the URL from YouTube. Okay, so let's do that in action. So I'm gonna go to where was it? Let me check. Okay, so what just happened? Okay, so right now I'm still in the home page with our website. So as you can see right now is I'm opening up the pages, and still we are on the home front page Elementor. And right now I'm gonna reload our page, and as you can see we have completed the section for our services. So what I'm going to do now is add the video section. Alright, so here is our website and our product page, or let's say product section, and then the services. And now I'm gonna create a new one and select the flexbox. So I'm gonna choose this one. Oh no, I'm going to choose the tree container, right? This one, because we're gonna put the video in the middle. Okay, so how am I going? How are we going to do to put the video? The first thing that we're gonna do is add the element, and you'll see right here the video element, and I'm gonna drag and drop in the middle. And as you can see, we will have the default video for the Elementor page or URL. So if I'm going to click this, it will play and will show to us our video. Okay, the video of Elementor. So to change the URL, all you need to do is go to YouTube and find the video that you want to add. Just in case you want to upload your video. Okay, I'm gonna type Nike shoes so that we will not be distracted by other videos. Nike shoes. So I'm gonna look for the Nike promotional video. I'm gonna type here Nike shoes commercial. If so happen that you have a client and they already have a video promoting their own products or services, you might encourage them to upload the video to YouTube. And from there, like this one, just in case you have a promotional video like this one from Nike. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so here is the commercial for that particular shoe. Okay, so just in case you like this one, or if you want to choose another, you can look for the specific video. And I think this one is better because it's more on the technological side. Yes, I'm gonna select this one, and what I'm going to do is copy the URL just above the video. We have the URL, and head back to where our video was located or is located, and change this particular link. Okay, so I've just clicked this particular video and selected the element, and right here you will see the link. Okay, so you have to click the content right here tab, and then change the link. You have to put everything including the HTTP. As you can see, I have here the HTTPS and then the www.youtube.com. All right, so right here we have the video already uploaded. Oh, sorry, included in the page, but of course we have to put some spacing between the upper elements and the things below. Later on we will add more. So what I'm gonna do is click the video element and go to advanced so that we can adjust the height of the element. So I'm gonna add here on the padding, let's do some like this one, 50, and below we're gonna, or bottom, we're gonna add 50 so that we will have enough spacing between the upper elements and the bottom elements. So I'm gonna hit publish, and let's open up our incognito window. So I'm gonna reload this one so that we can see what our website looks right now. So here it is. We have now the video right below our services. Okay, so if you want to change the background, it's up to you. And what I'm going to do is maybe I'm gonna add more spacing so that we will have the luxury of maximizing the spacing. Right, this one right below, I'm gonna add 70. Okay, and above 70, and I'm gonna go ahead to style and change the background. Okay, so I'm gonna change the color of the background. We can use classic, just like what we have done in the section of the services, and we can choose also the gradient. So we have here the gradient, and right now set location and angle, it says. So let's do some changes. We have here the location and the angle, the second color, the first color, and then I'm gonna let's do red. Okay, so will this look good? No, I think red is too much. The color is very hot. All right, so there we have the gradient background, and of course we can set the location. As you can see, we can adjust the location of the blue, and of course the angle, we can adjust the angle right there, and we can change also the if it is linear or radial. We always use linear instead of radial because radial sometimes it is not good for design, but it's up to you, whatever you like in your design. So if you want to add some darkness to your background, of course we can click the background overlay, and of course we can use the color black, and then adjust if you need to adjust the transparency. But I think I will not use the background overlay, so I will just hit the reset. So as you can see, we have here the reset button, right? This one. Okay, so it will erase the background overlay and set it to default. Okay, so I think this looks good. Well, not quite. I think we have to adjust the color of the blue and red. Maybe I'm gonna use the location and then set the angle. Let's do some experiments. Right now we are seeing this red what you call this notification because Elementor wants us to upgrade and pay for the services. So let's check what it looks like in the incognito window. So I'm gonna open the incognito window and reload the page. So right now we have some variation with the color. Okay, if you want to change the background, it's up to you. I think I'm gonna put instead of red, let's try something else. So how about some green? No, that is not, that doesn't work. That will not work. I think so. Maybe some highlights would do. Okay, so let's try that one. So it doesn't matter if you are going to use simple colors because simplicity sometimes would attract more user. So as you can see right now, the video is more highlighted than the background. So if you use the color as brighter than the one that should stand out, the attention of the user will be diverted to the background instead of the video. Okay. All right, so if you have a video uploaded to YouTube and get the link and paste it to our video element. Okay, so I'm gonna click again the video element, and as you can see, we have here in the style the different selection if you like. Of course, we do not use hover on this type because we don't want the video to pop out just to impress the user. No, that will not work. Okay, so right here, if you want to change the width and the height, it's up to you. Okay, so we have here the width and the minimum height. If you like to change the height, it's up to you. Okay, right now I'm gonna use the default position, and everything here is default. So you can check my work and your work, and I have just adjusted the 70 for padding, the top and the bottom 70. Okay, I'm gonna hit publish, and let's look on the mobile view. So right here, as you can see, there is so much space in between. That is because we have an empty elements right here. Let me try and adjust that. So it's fixed already on the 70. So I'm gonna try and hit this link. Okay, so I've just unlink and link the padding, and now you can see the mobile view has been adjusted. Okay, so you have to do that sometimes if you want to see the responsiveness of your design for mobile. Okay, so right here looks good. So I'm gonna hit the padding link and unlink so that we will know and we will see what will happen. So right now I have encountered a bit trouble because when I hit the padding, okay, so it just goes up. So I'm gonna try and use, where is it? Probably right here, the layout. So I'm gonna click this one, or I mean the section. I'm gonna click the section and try center. Okay, doesn't work. Okay, doesn't work. It still doesn't work. Okay, this one works. So I'm gonna hit center on align items. Okay, so that the video will stay on the center on the tablet mode. Let's head back to the mobile mode. Looks good. The desktop, yes, looks good. And that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna hit publish. If you want to put a thumbnail, just in case you want to put a thumbnail for your video, so I'm gonna click the element itself. Okay, the video, so you will see now the link is now visible, and you can also select where is the video is coming from. Okay, so you can select Vimeo, Dailymotion, VideoPress, self-hosted if you're going to host the video in your website. Okay, but I highly suggest do not host the video on your website, because this will cause your website to load slowly. Okay, all right, so I highly suggest you upload it to YouTube, because YouTube has a very good CDN, the content delivery network, which is much faster than any other video provider hosting. Okay, so if you want the video to autoplay, you can select the autoplay right here. Just click it and then it will autoplay. But sometimes this will make some users to be, to be confused, because when they load your page, they will hear some voices or music, and they were not able to see where it is coming from. So I highly suggest to turn it off, the autoplay, and let them click the video button play if they want to watch your video. Okay, so you can also set the controls by setting the button to show, and of course you can use image overlay. But right now, okay, so we can use the image overlay. I think so. We can use this probably. I think so. Yes, we can use the image overlay. Let's try. So yes, it worked. We can change the thumbnail for our video. Okay, because right here, as you can see, I'm still using the free version of the Elementor. So let's try and hit publish so that we can save our work and head back to our incognito and see it in action. So right here, all right, so as you can see, whenever the page is loaded, they will see your thumbnail. Of course, you can design your own thumbnail, and people should know that it is a video. Okay, and if you want to use the default value for the YouTube, then it's up to you. All right, so that's it, and you can try and create your own. And of course, this is a free version of the WordPress, and of course it is hosted locally on our computer. You can try and master WordPress. Okay, with that being said, we are gonna proceed to our next lesson, and we will continue to build our project. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye.